Research is in human enhancement. I'm basically looking at ways of enhancing our sensory input. So day to day we use our touch sense for tactile discrimination. We know that this is cotton, this here is jean, and this is skin. But what are the possibilities of using it for other applications? So my actual research is in magnetic implants. I've used 2 magnets implanted in my 2 fingers. And under electromagnetic fields they move with the frequency and the waveform of the field. Different frequencies and different waveforms induce different levels of stimulation, and this can be used as a human-machine interface. So the application for this is high-stress scenarios such as driving or piloting, whereby your vision system in driving should be focused on the road and your auditory system is already overused with radios, with entertainment systems, with children in the car, with partners in the car. So you can't really rely on them to take in rapid information and for you to respond to that information as quickly as you'd like. So we're using EMF. So we're sending in pulses for things like rear-to-end collision detection. So yeah, that's in a nutshell my research is in magnetic implants and the comparison between people with implants and people without implants to find out if there's any benefit to actually having the implant. Okay, so the School of Systems Engineering is a great school. I mean, if we talk about academics, we have very, very helpful academics. You could go to any one of our academics and any one of them will help you at the drop of a hat. If they really stuck for time, then they'll organise a meeting with you in the next day or so. On a social level, it has everything that you'd ever want. If you're into a certain type of music, there's a music night on any night of the week for your type of music. If you're into a certain sport, the sports facilities that we have in the university are amazing. There's every sport covered and every activity as well. You've got everything from rock climbing, you've got everything to rock climbing, caving, you've got archery, you've got sub-aqua, then you go into like sports where you've got things like lacrosse, you've got hockey, and then you've got your standard like football and rugby, but everything seems to be covered here. And to be quite honest, I can't think of an activity that I'd like to do that isn't actually done in the university as a team. Also, if you want to make your own like activity, if you want to start up an activity, then that's available to you as well. One of my friends, when I started in my first year, started our TV society because he wanted to make a student TV show and started one up. I chose to come to the University of Reading when I was in year 9. I saw a bit of research that came out by Kevin Warwick on his cyborg experiments where he linked his nervous system up to a robotic hand, and it was that day that I chose my university degree and stuck to it, went home, told my dad in year 9 that I'm going to go to the University of Reading when I finish school, and he's like, okay, cool, go work for it. Ended up coming here, did my bachelor's, completed my bachelor's, got offered a PhD, and here I am now, final year.